Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of America's Test Kitchen Mediterranean Instant Pot Cookbook. I'm a big fan of America's Test Kitchen, so I'm biased, but I watch their show on PBS, and these guys are fantastic. What I like about them is they go through different ways to make something, and they find the best way, what they feel is the best way to do things, and they explain why. And you're going to find a lot of those same types of tips in the beginning part of this book. They tell you why they do things a certain way, why sometimes a quick release is something you want to do as opposed to the natural pressure release. If you cook with your Instant Pot a lot, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you have not yet gotten an Instant Pot, just go ahead and get one and then grab this book because this is just fantastic. Another thing I really like is every single recipe in here is accompanied by a beautiful, very nice quality photograph showing you the potential for how your dish can end up looking. Another great feature that I really find very important, I'm in Weight Watchers, I count points, I like to know exactly what the nutritional value is of everything I eat, and this has that nutritional information for each recipe in here. And any cookbook that does not include that is a cookbook that I don't want to have on my bookshelf, because this is so important to know exactly what the calorie and fat content, fat content, sugar, etc., salt, particularly sodium, all those things are so important to know in your diet. The recipes in here are great. We've made quite a few out of here, and I can't even pick a favorite. Everything has been really good. The information at the beginning of the book, as I just showed you, is great. There's a very good index, and then in the back there's also metric to US conversions. So everything here is designed to make cooking these dishes easy, and the directions are great. Can't recommend this book enough. The Mediterranean diet is probably one of the healthiest diets on the planet, and the recipes in here are wonderful. So my highest recommendation for this book, go get it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll try to answer them if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.